Schneikowitz, boys. Yesterday was record temperatures since 1967. Hey? Isn't that crazy? It was so warm yesterday. I got sunburned big time. No gut. Sunburn hurts. Let's see what's happening in the jankum layer. See if there's any jankum chunks. Sleeping?
Nope.
Holy, look at the state of it in here.
A little cleaner, but yet not as clean.
Oh, yeah. Do you mind?
I do not.
What do we got here, buddy?
Some brown sugar.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's just like the drawer with a pot, with a little knife and spoon. You're not allowed to have knives. What's up with that?
Hey, no mind to that.
How was the weekend?
The weekend?
Did you have lots of cigarettes and stuff?
Yeah. But cigarettes, I actually don't have any left. But
No.
yeah.
Oh, fuck. Remember I said you're supposed to say, oh, do you mind if I have a Zanny?
Then go for it.
Nice.
Yeah, I was supposed to say something, but...
Yeah, you forgot. You got to remember to tell me, because
I forget a lot.
I don't know magic, right? If I knew magic, I'd be like, oh, he needs cigarettes. Yeah, I got the rest of that pack you stuck in your ass the other day.
Oh no.
Yeah, still a few left. You got to save some for Friday though. Wrap them in tinfoil, or wrap them in tinfoil and send them home. You know what I mean? Bring them in for the boys. Oh yeah, what do you think about pulling some parts out of that?
That's what I was gonna do actually.
Yeah.
Take the tires off and then start taking the rear end.
That'd be great.
Alright.
That'd be f***ing great. Oh, great. Exactly what I need. Everything was going just splendid. Next thing you know, oh, it's Jim and Jim.
You want to make a?
You guys should.
You want to make $100?
Yeah, I go by James, but
Oh well.
yeah.
Our apologies.
I was told that have you seen it at some point?
Probably not.
Yeah, he never comes to. Oh,
I haven't
Lord.
seen him in a minute.
Thanks, buddy.
Did I tell you about the job that I had for 2 days and quit?
No, tell me about it, Jim.
Fucking,
They tried to make you do stuff, and you weren't trying to have that?
So they advertise, oh, pressure washing driveways. I'm like, Jim can do that all fucking day. That'd actually be a cool job. Just pressure washing driveways, be outside, but not have to do like slave labor bullshit. No. First day, he's like, yeah, so 98% of the job is you're up on the roof of 2-story plus buildings, right on the edge, no safety harness or fuck all, rickety ass ladder that's like 40 feet tall, and you got to stand right on the edge because you got to get shit out of the gutters. And we're a gutter cleaning business, not a pressure wash and drive. We're 2% pressure wash and driveway business, 98% standing on highest roofs, no safety harness, cleaning gutter business.
And Jim's like,
I'm like, yeah, holy. So I'm up there, like I get 4
No.
on the ground, and I'm like,
no, you went up there?
oh,
How much did they give you?
$280
For 2 days?
Well, it was a day and a half because we drove all the way to Strathroy, and then his fucking pressure washer broke because we were going to do one pressure washing job. But then after that was all gutter cleaning. And like he picks the highest fucking houses. Like, dude.
Well, nobody wants to pay a guy to clean the low ones. That's ridiculous. Just do it yourself. Reach up there, pull it out.
Well, I don't want to go up the like these. You look at a house, right, and you're like, oh, that's not too steep. No, it fucking is steep as.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when it's still snowing and cold a little bit. Like this was like weeks ago, so like it was still like it snowed one day. I was up there and it snowed, and he's like, "Oh, we can't do this one because it's frozen solid." I'm like, "No, shit. It's -6 out."
Yeah, I had to run away to get my wayward here some cigarettes. Oh, buddy.
All right.
You love cigarettes.
Oh,
you know,
fuck yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, buddy.
That's all types.
half those back.
Yeah, yeah. You got to save those though. Wrap some up in tinfoil. And,
Yeah. Shove them up my butt or something. I don't know.
yeah.
Very pee hole.
Well, he's doing weekends.
That's a tight fit.
Oh, he's doing weekends.
Down Barton Street.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. For now. We'll see.
You only got like 75 more to go or something, right?
What, weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. We'll see. We'll have to talk to the boss about that one.
Talk to old boss man there.
Boss lady, actually.
Look at the spacer kit, boys. Boys, I want you to look at the.
Keep the tech.
Yeah, that's like $75 worth of good Washners too. We need to keep those. New brakes, catalytic converters. Look at the washers.
The fucking rods.
Oh, bud, you got a Zephyr.
Yeah, the rad's already out. Oh, buddy, you brought your fucking Tommies to Inwood.
Oh, buddy, no, I didn't.
Buddy, I just sent them.
Fucking check this out, buddy.
You got work boots? No. You probably had to get work boots because you had a job. There's your fucking work boots right there. I made them wear my old ones, but the difference is, like, my feet aren't all fucked up and wet and, you know what I mean? Whereas Jim's feet are just like, they just juice. Like, I don't know. It's like you squeeze an orange or you squeeze Jim's foot, same. But anyways, don't want to get too carried away on the opening here, slash up my situation. Too bad. Custom is frig. Then they also sent, oh, decent, some little Flishner Flashners. I love these little guys. You know, Flisher Flasher, you know what I mean? Well, kind. But we'll put that on the Grumman once we get around to that. But this is what we're after today, bud. Let's go throw these in my rig. Hey?
Your rig, bud.
Yeah.
Your tire's a little squishy there.
Yeah, I don't drive this one.
Oh, this one sucks. Oh, you put other...
Yeah, automatic. Sold them. Sold them for money. Oh, look at the trifecta. Oh, there's a fourfecta.
That's probably what this is. Yeah, that goes wrapped around the fucking headrest or something. It's got it. It's for your visual.
Yeah, it's for your viziniality. Oh, Dick, boys. We just stepped up our truck game, our big rig game. What do you think of those, Jim?
Exquisite inferior.
Oh, yeah. You want a set for your car?
Oh, yeah, no. Got the full leather.
I apologize. Look at the fitment, boys. Like, she just fits on there. Lickety McSplickens. You still access your batoons. Yeah, man. All soft where your butt goes and on your back and stuff. Decent. Decent. So what'd I butcher up on your car, Jim?
You f***ed up my lights.
How did I f*** up your lights?
I don't know. You did it right, but it didn't last.
Buddy?
Now we gotta redo it.
Who, what?
Both of them are out now. I don't know what's going on.
Well, it's because your car's junk. You don't even know how to fix it. You're fucking dicked.
That's what I'm trying to learn.
Yeah, but you don't listen and you don't learn.
I do listen. and
Watch your
learn.
skull.
Oh,
Watch the old dome.
I look
Oh, buddy, you got ones for your 2-day job.
Yeah.
Day and a half. I apologize. I didn't mean to
fucked up.
exaggerate.
Yeah, day and a half. Well,
Yeah,
then
they
I did a
already
day-
reeked.
I did a full day of fucking landscaping. That sucked really bad. Well, it wasn't too bad. It was just my feet hurt. Like the bottoms of my feet hurt. Because they have not broken in yet.
Sometimes I go to fly over to Muchies and check out his dope crop.
Sad I missed them.
Yeah. Well, next time he needs something, he'll be back. Just like that.
Oh.
Oh, right in the Donecker. Fuck. Yeah, I think there might be like a beeper you can push on the thing or something. Oh, I found it. Oh, there it is.
Landed in the sink.
Yeah, it landed in the sink. Here, can you grab that? Probably only a little bit broken. Just a little crashy poo. There's nothing I could really do. I started like driving it. The thing was. Oh, not very stable. Are you doing sucks moves?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Nice. Holy.
I'm like fucking Shakira, bud.
I can't believe the whole or the felon doesn't want to have intercourse with you.
He doesn't? He said that?
Yeah. Your wholesome heart.
That's racist, I think. It's because I got orange in my beard.
Mm-hmm.
You deal with that a lot?
Mm-hmm. All right, enough playing tiddlydinks with Jim. I gotta get something done. Hey, it's enough.
We're not playing tiddlydinks, we're playing friggin' fixed cars and stuff.
Oh, I apologize. I got confused. I thought we were playing tiddlydinks. It turns out we were playing Phipps at Schmidt. Scores!
See it. I can reach it. But there's another one somewhere.
Oh no.
There's another one somewhere.
So when you're working on cars, you don't do that, right?
Yeah, I would get fired right away.
You don't drop fucking tools and
Do you
bolts
got
down.
something I can freaking pry this over with?
What are you prying? Why?
Because I need to line
Well, you gotta loosen these off. It doesn't. You don't pry. You don't pry.
Alright.
Loosen it, and then it should all fit. You know what I mean?
I gotta find,
A lot of times when you're putting a part on, you'll put all the bolts in just a little bit,
Yeah.
and then just do a final tighten after. You know what I mean? I don't think that's what you done there. Pretty sure that's not what you done. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
The unsaltable fastener. See, Jim, you don't lose your buddy. What are you doing? The f are you doing? Are you Steinbackers? Are we going through this
Quit.
again?
Quit.
Are we going through this again? Do we need DNA?
What do we gotta do?
DNA test. Make sure you're not Steinbackers. This whole time I've been supporting the f***ing
They're
another
both
man's
magnetic,
child.
so.
Okay, I don't know. I gotta go play trapper, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sorry. It ended up just tearing the screws out. So we didn't have to disassemble the whole thing, but she's hurt. We heard it. We did. That's less than ideal. Sweet. Didn't even have to crack the whole spiel open, boys. We got our lippity spliffs. Susie!